Okay, so right now I'm up on the third floor, and what I need to do is I have to come up with a count of how many rooms I need the fire sprinkler lines capped. Those orange lines are the fire sprinkler lines, and we've actually busted a few of them and had lots and lots of water coming. That's another video for another day. But essentially, these soffits here behind me, some of those are changing in some of the rooms. So obviously we can't change them if the sprinkler lines are actually in those soffits. So what we need to do is we're gonna have the sprinkler contractor come out, cut the water, and then cut and cap the lines so that we can do the demolition that we need to do on the soffit area. So I need to count how many rooms will need to be cut and capped. Now, this is very important because, again, if you hit those lines, these orange pipes are super, super brittle. I'm going to post a video about how we basically busted a pipe and flooded the floor. I'm going to post a video about that, but we cannot do any demo without having the water turned off and without having these lines capped so that we can go ahead and do the demo that we need to do. So I need to get the third, fourth, and fifth floors counted so that the contractor can order the caps so that they can be here and available on Tuesday when he comes. And then I need to connect with the demo team to make sure they understand which rooms need to be demoed with soffits and how they are going to do them. And everything has to go in sequence and in order. And we got to be efficient with our time because time is money. So let me get back to it. One of the challenges with this hotel is that every single room is different on every single floor. There really is no consistency. There is like this room, windows way up there. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's like, it makes you feel like you're going crazy because anytime you're looking for any sort of consistency to figure something out, it's like, oh, this room is different. So same thing over here. We have this soffit. Now, luckily in this room, this soffit doesn't move. So there is one pipe that is going through there. So we will not have to cut and cap this room because I've already checked the drawings. This soffit stays exactly where it's at. So we do nothing.